This is a grasshopper. Hi, jumpy friends. Meet the grasshopper, a little insect that can leap really far. The grasshopper lives in grassy fields and farms all over the world, from Asia to Europe and America. It enjoys eating grass, leaves, and crops. A grasshopper usually lives a few months to about 1 year. These insects love hopping around, hiding in tall grass, and making chirping sounds with their legs. The grasshopper is quick, lively, and a tiny athlete of nature. Hi there, little ocean explorers. Meet the yellow boxfish. This bright yellow fish with black spots lives in warm coral reefs around the Indian and Pacific Oceans, near countries like Indonesia, Australia, and the Philippines. The yellow boxfish loves munching on algae, sponges, and small sea creatures. It can live up to 10 years. The yellow boxfish swims slowly and has a funny, boxy shape that helps protect it from predators. Isn't the yellow boxfish super cute? A goat! Hi, farm friends! Meet the Playful goat, a friendly animal that people raise all over the world. The goat lives in many countries, from India to the USA and Europe. It enjoys eating grass, leaves, and tasty vegetables. A goat can live about... This is a Nautilus. Hello, ocean explorers. Meet the ancient Nautilus, a sea creature with a beautiful spiral shell. The Nautilus lives in the deep waters of the Indo-Pacific Ocean, near countries like the Philippines, Fiji, and Australia. It enjoys eating crabs, shrimp, and small fish at night. A Nautilus can live around 15 to 20 years. These animals love floating up and down in the water, using gas in their shells. The Nautilus is mysterious, gentle, and a living fossil of the sea. This is a orangutan. Hello, jungle explorers. Let's meet the orangutan, a big ape with long arms and reddish-brown hair. The orangutan lives in the rainforests of Indonesia and Malaysia, especially on the islands of Borneo and Sumatra. It eats fruits, leaves, and insects while swinging high in the trees. The orangutan can live about 30 to 40 years and enjoys spending time alone, resting, and building nests to sleep. Isn't the orangutan an amazing and gentle friend of the forest? This is a koala. Hi, cuddly friends. Meet the sweet koala, a fairy animal that loves trees. The koala lives only in Australia, where it spends most of its time in eucalyptus forests. It enjoys eating eucalyptus leaves all day long. A koala can live about 13 to 18 years. These animals love sleeping up to 20 hours a day, hugging tree branches and moving slowly. The koala is gentle, sleepy, and one of the cutest animals in the world. Scuttle, scuttle! Let's meet the sideways walking sea crab. Sea crabs live in oceans all around the world, near countries like Vietnam, Japan, and the United States. A sea crab eats algae, small fish, and bits of plants. It can live up to 8 years. Sea crabs love hiding under rocks and using their strong claws to grab food. Can you say sea crab? Yay! Sea crabs are tiny, tough, and super fun to watch. This is a alligator snapping turtles. Hi, animal explorers! Let's meet the alligator snapping turtle, one of the largest freshwater turtles in the world. The alligator snapping turtle lives in rivers and lakes in the United States, especially around the southeast. It eats fish, frogs, and even small birds by waiting very still and snapping fast. The alligator snapping turtle can live 50 to 100 years and enjoys resting at the bottom of the water. Isn't the alligator snapping turtle an amazing and powerful reptile?
Hello, ocean buddies! Let's meet the bluefin tuna. This super fast fish swims through the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, near countries like Japan, the USA, and Spain. The bluefin tuna loves to eat small fish and squid. It can live up to 40 years. Wow! With its strong body and shiny blue fins, the bluefin tuna travels far and dives deep. It's one of the fastest swimmers in the sea. Isn't the bluefin tuna amazing?
This is a cat. Hello, furry fans. Meet the adorable cat, one of the most loved pets in the world. The cat lives in homes across almost every country, from the USA to Japan and beyond. It enjoys eating fish, meat, and crunchy cat food. A cat can live about 12 to 16 years. These animals love chasing toys, climbing furniture, and curling up in warm, sunny spots. The cat is playful, gentle, and a wonderful friend for families everywhere.
Let's dive deep and discover the amazing shark. Sharks live in oceans all around the world, from America to Australia. A shark eats fish, squid, and sometimes even seals. Some sharks can live up to 30 years, and a few live much longer. Sharks love to swim fast and explore the sea. There are over 500 types of shark. This is a zebra. Hi, stripy friends. Meet the zebra, a horse-like animal with black and white stripes. The zebra lives in the grasslands and savannas of Africa. It enjoys eating grasses, leaves, and sometimes bark. The zebra can live about 20 to 25 years in the wild. These animals love running fast, staying in herds, and using their stripes to confuse predators. The zebra is strong, social, and one of the most beautiful animals in nature. This is a octopus. Hello, sea buddies. Meet the clever octopus, a sea animal with 8 amazing arms. The octopus lives in oceans all over the world, from warm tropical waters to cold seas near Europe and Asia. It enjoys eating crabs, shrimp, and small fish. An octopus usually lives about 1 to 3 years. These smart creatures love hiding in rocks, changing colors, and squirting ink to stay safe. The octopus is quick, playful, and one of the ocean's smartest animals. This is a turkey. Hi, farm buddies. Meet the turkey, a big bird with colorful feathers and a funny waddle under its beak. The turkey lives mainly in North America, but is also raised on farms in many countries around the world. It enjoys eating seeds, plants, and insects. A turkey can live about 10 to 12 years. These birds love walking in flocks, spreading their tails and making themselves look proud. The turkey is social, strong, and a very special farm friend. Zoom back to dinosaur times and meet the clever Velociraptor Blue. Velociraptors lived in Asia, especially in Mongolia, about 75 million years ago. Velociraptor Blue is known for being smart, fast, and brave. A velociraptor ate small animals and could live around 15 to 20 years. They loved to hunt in groups and run super quickly. Can you say Velociraptor Blue? Amazing! Velociraptor Blue was quick, curious, and full of adventure.